Hello, everybody. Welcome back to 4.6 in James's train of advanced placement chemistry tutorials. We're going to go ahead and hop on to page 132. Let's get this on Snap, because I know you guys want to go out and party, right? You don't want to be watching these tutorials. I mean, let's be real. So, this is page 132, number 116. The book gives us the reaction 4NH3 plus 5O2 yields 4NO plus 6H2O. I believe this was actually the answer to the question we did in 4.1. It's a handy coincidence, isn't it? So we're going to go ahead and set up our handy-dandy BCA table that we learned last chapter. So let's go ahead and write BCA before change after. The book tells us that we start out with 10 moles of NH3 and 10 moles of 5OH, 0 moles of NO, and 0 moles of H2O. So we can go ahead and fill out our beginning row. For the change, we can see that the mole ratio in the reaction of O2 is bigger, which means that O2 is going to be, or it's the biggest of the reactants, which means that O2 is going to be our limiting reactant here, since we have the same moles of everything of the reactants. So, once we go ahead and subtract 10, because all of the O2 is going to be used, we get 0 moles of O2. And if we do 10 over 5, which is 2, multiplied by 4, we find out that 8 moles of NH3 are going to be consumed. So, for our after column for our reactants here, we're going to end up with 2 moles of NH3 and 0 moles of O2. As for the other side of the reaction, so NO has the same ratio as NH3, so we're going to go ahead and put plus 8, which means that our after for NO is going to be 8 moles. And as for 6,2O, let's go ahead and do 10 over 5 multiplied by 6, which is 12. So we're adding 12, and we end up with 12. So our final after column is 2 moles of NH3, 0 moles of O2, 8 moles of NO, and 12 moles of H2O. So the book is asking how many moles of products do we have? Well, let's just do 8 plus 12, shall we? And we end up getting 20 moles of products. And we end up with 2 moles of reactants for anyone who's interested in that little extra bit. That's all I've got. Thank you for watching my chapter 4.6. I know tomorrow is a very sad day. It's the last chapter in the chronicles of the AP Chemistry Adventures of James's AP Advanced Placement Chemistry. Well, try to keep a chipper face. I'll see you there.